Starting to look like something. Game is getting crucial over there, ladies and gentlemen. They brought in extra tables, and it's getting rough over there. I had to stand away. For all you Beamers, BMW lovers, we got look what's passing through for you. Come on up there, get that slow roll with that Beamer. Come on in there. There we go, looking good. Look at that top on that Beamer, y'all. We just getting a little early breeze through, walk through right now. And for you like Condors, Fords, Chevys, GMCs, Mustangs, we just getting started. All right, now how we doing? How we doing?
All right.
You know it's looking good. I like that top on there, man.
Oh, thank you, brother.
I gotta go get a close up on it. Okay, we're gonna go get a close up on this Beamer here. We don't own the music. We don't own the music right there. It's not our music that you hear in the background. We're gonna put some real music with it. Look at it. Looking good, looking good. Everybody getting ready. Let's get back to the domino game. We'll catch y'all in the next few minutes, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We got all kinds of stuff going on. Get ready to pop the hoods. All right. Catch y'all on the next one. Oh, we got a special guest in the house today. We have Thick Man in Winter. Yeah, they in the house there. Yeah. Everybody want to be in the party. Look at them. You know, they got it going on. Please like and subscribe and roll on those buttons. Stay tuned for more. It's just getting started.